Well, this turned out all right. Last year at Open Studios, walnut loops generated a lot of interest in my work. So this is basically the same design with 3 concentric rings that were cut in 2 and then glued back together. Because Open Studios is coming up again soon, I thought I'd make another one. This one is made out of ash. I actually bought a few pieces of wood recently, including this slab of ash as well as some mahogany. I didn't pay full price for it, so that's why I bought it. If I'd had more cash in my pocket, I would have bought more. So this and a few other items will be going up on my Etsy store soon. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you'll loop back again to Cammy's garage.